What's up, people? Me and my friend Rishikesh, we are going to Goa for an event. Basically, we have to take workshop and give a demonstration to a few kids. So yeah, we are waiting for our bus. Rishi, anything you want to say?
Like and subscribe for his channel. Nothing else. He's a good freestyler. You may know. And yellow.
The bus about to leave. I'm gonna have misal for dinner. That's how it looks. Look at where I'm sitting. Right in the front seat, next to the driver. At the hotel, I guess it's 7:30. What's the time, Rishi?
7:20.
Yeah, it's 7:20 in the morning. So today I think we have our event at 6 p.m. and so we have got a lot of time till then. We'll sleep for a while maybe, or we'll just rent a bike and we'll go to a beach, or I don't know, do something. So this is our room. Good enough, not bad.
ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह कब मिलेगा?
हाँ मिलेगा।
हाँ?
7 बजे खुलता है रेस्टोरेंट।
7 बजे।
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
And our food is here. Rishi has already started eating.
I'm hungry, that's why.
So yeah, we have taken the bike on the rent and then we are gonna head to the Kalangut beach.
It's the first time to be here with him.
Yeah, we haven't been to Kalangut beach actually. So I'll show you the view.
Bam!
This is how it looks. Crazy, isn't it? It's pretty crowded actually. Obviously it's a beach, so it is going to be crowded. So we're gonna go click a few pictures. We are having a good time. We are having a good time here, isn't it, Rishi?
Yeah.
Are we having a good time?
Yeah, really we are. I'll show you some tricks.
Yeah, Rishi will show you some tricks now. That is Rishi's best trick, dropping the ball.
This is my best trick.
So we are at the Baga beach now. We're done with Kalangut. We are at the Baga beach. Then we're gonna go to Anjuna beach. So basically today we are gonna go to all the beaches. We खूप जास्त गणा करतोय. Yeah, and tomorrow maybe we'll go to a fort or something, some fort. This is the Vagator beach and we are gonna go down now. Rishi is pretty scared to go down, but I'm gonna take him anyway. The thing is, we aren't wearing shoes. We are not beach seems pretty good, you know. Rishi has spotted 2 foreigners over there, so maybe that is why he's willing to come with me. Otherwise he wasn't interested. Am I right, Rishi? Yeah, see, he agrees. Basically, if I'm not wrong. No, thank you. So, yeah, if I'm not wrong, this is the fort where the scene from Dil Chahta Hai was shot. So, yeah, it's pretty good. Good hike. Oh, my battery is about to die, so I need to hurry up and show you guys the view from the fort. It's very windy over here, so I'm not sure if you guys are able to listen to what I'm saying properly, as I don't have the mic as well. I didn't get the mic because I don't have the mic, because I'm a poor guy. I can't afford a mic. This guy is very rich, but he won't give me his mic. See, you can see all that bling. Damn. Alright, so enough of my face. You guys don't have to look at my face. I'm gonna show you how the view is from here, from the top of the Chapora Fort.
And we all know people who have lots of misfortune and they are deeply happy. They radiate happiness. Why? Because they're grateful.
Good morning. We are up and we are going to have our breakfast now. Done with the shower. What's up, people? Today it's my turn to ride. We are going to the beach. We've reached the Candolim beach. Me and my friend Rafiq. Gonna record some time lapse here. The video will be out by Saturday. Too many dogs on the beach actually. There are so many dogs. So many of them. Looks sick though. So what happened right now was, I went to the beach. Rishi was waiting here. He wanted to click a picture, and there were around 8 to 10 dogs who just came out of nowhere. They started barking. They surrounded me. One of them, I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but one of them bit me over there. Candolim beach plan cancelled. We are going to Kalangut now. If you are in Goa and you don't come to this place, it's a crime. You have to come here. So basically Rishi has never been here. It's his first time. We are at Fort Aguada. After having our lunch, we decided to come here to the fort. And yeah, so we're gonna check out the fort now. This is the fort. There's the lighthouse. came across a few trails on my way here to the fort. So maybe while going back, we'll check out those trails. And also there were a few cops. They wanted to see what exactly freestyle is. So we're gonna show them a couple of freestyle tricks as well. We have taken a couple of time lapse shots as well. Shit, I'm so tired, I can't even speak properly. So on our way back to the hotel now. Any other plans? You wanna say something?
See you guys in Pune.
See you guys in Pune. Oh, that's it. So me and Rishi are back at the hotel. We are waiting in the lobby. We have to wait for like 5 hours or something because our bus is at 9 and I don't know what time it is right now. So I'll see you directly in Pune now because we are very tired and we are almost done here. And so no more vlogging. Peace.